Today, I want to talk about how to get software engineering internship 3 ways. I decided to make this video because getting an internship is very important for your career development. Why is it important? What is the best way to get a Google job? I personally think the best way is to get doing Google internship before the full-time position and getting a return offer from them. Then how do you get the Google internship? You probably have to apply to Google internship, and you probably have to nail that internship interview. Then how do you nail that internship interviews, and how do you get qualified Google interview? You might want to have other internship. And how do you get other internship? You have to apply tons of internship. So that is why knowing strategies is extremely important for your career. Another reason why I decided to make this video is that there are a lot of tech YouTubers out there explaining how they got their internship. A lot of them are very helpful, but sometimes because they're very smart and they went to really great school, sometimes they're missing some important points. I went to just normal, affordable commuter school in Chicago, so hopefully I can add some different opinions and angles to it. Hi guys, my name is Seo. I'm a full-stack software engineer at healthcare tech company. I make programming tutorials and career tips. So if you want to become a better developer and if you want to get a job as software engineering, consider subscribing and click the like button for your YouTube algorithm. So alright, let's talk about how to get internship. The first is going to career fair and other career related events. If you don't know career fair is an event where employers and companies come visit your school to hire people. This is one of the most important events that you shouldn't miss during the college, because most of my friends got their internship and full-time positions from the career fair. I got my full-time position and 2 internship out of 3 internship, I got them from career fair. So it is really important to go to career fair, even though maybe you're not really confident, maybe you feel like you're not ready. Sincerely, not that many people are fully ready for all the interviews and all the challenges ahead. Sometimes you kind of have to be lucky. So it's really important to go. This is the most effective way to get hired. And I want to talk about the limit of career fair. This is where not that many people talk about. The companies that are coming to your school is kind of limited. So that's the limit. But as I talked about before, most of the students get hired from those career fair events. But then you feel like your school is not qualified for your dream positions. For example, FANG companies didn't come to our school. I was very disappointed because during college I really wanted to work there. The feeling is that maybe my school is not qualified. Maybe they think candidates from my school is not great. A lot of this negative mind kind of bothered us a lot. So this is the limit, but it shouldn't let you down, right? And there are different ways of getting internship than career fair, so I want to talk about that later. Before that, I want to talk about some general strategies. The first thing you should do is to mark the career fair event on your calendar. So please do that. Please don't forget about the career fair. Do all the homework before the career fair. It is really important. It is more important than your school homework. Mark your calendar and finish everything before the event and plan ahead. In order to be successful during the career fair, you really need to plan this early. So most of the internship happens during the summer, maybe from May to at the end of the August. And companies usually hire their interns the fall, a year prior. So what do you have to do before career fair? First, you need side projects. So why do we need side projects? It's because it's a career fair and employers come to your school and literally hundreds of students line up for their company to submit their resume. So there are 4 areas that our employers usually look for. One is school, two is your work experience, and three is your side projects or another extracurricular or experience, and four is skill. So let's say they came to visit your career fair. One, school, they already know that you're in that school. And work experience, if you're looking for an internship, you don't really have that fancy experience. If you have previous internship experience, that is amazing, that is great. But if you're looking for internship for first time, you don't really have the relevant experience. You should add them if you have them, but it isn't very relevant experience for getting tech internship. What you can stand out now is your projects and skills. So skills, you obtain skills by doing these side projects. So there's only now you know why side projects is important. You can stand out. Actually, not that many people do side projects because college is busy. There are so many pressures, there's so many homework, so many stuff to take care of. But you really do need side project to be able to increase the chances. So from my experience, I had 2 internships from career fair. During the career fair, I was able to get a lot of interviews. I learned a lot of full stack web development by myself. So I was able to show them my web application. It was some sort of like a simple blog-like, social media-like website with login and posting, clicking like. It was just basically really shitty Facebook. So even though it wasn't really great, it was enough to show my passion for web development and programming. So I was able to get a lot of interviews. Back then, my interview skill was very bad because I'm an immigrant. English is my foreign language. My interview skill was horrible. But because of that side projects, I was able to get lots of interviews. So that's how I got my first internship. So prepare for side projects. So the other strategy is you should make a list of companies that are coming to your career fair and make a priority list. There are so many students and dozens of companies are coming to your school. The lines during the career fairs is insane. So you want to able to visit your favorite companies first so that you don't miss out any really good opportunities. You also have to research their company because sometimes there are hidden gems. My full-time position, I love my company. Even though this company was not well known, compensation was way better than other companies that were very popular during the career fair. I really like my coworkers and they're really smart and nice. The work that I do, I'm really passionate about it. Overall, it was great. It is great experience, but then not that many people actually knew that company and the line was short. I was able to make an interview schedule on that day, on that career fair day. Okay, this is debatable topic. GPA is not really important. If you don't have any previous experience, and if you don't have any side projects, having high GPA might open up some opportunities. A lot of tech YouTubers talk about really popular tech companies. Of course, they do coding interview, but sometimes some traditional industry and old-fashioned industry, they don't do coding interview. Sometimes they do care about GPA. My first internship at Morningstar. Morningstar is an investment research company. And they really did care about GPA a lot. My cohort interns had really good GPAs. All came from really fancy school. I know it's stupid, GPA is stupid, but some companies do care, and we don't want to miss out any opportunities. Number 2 is applying job online. Pros of this way is that there's no limit. If you live in maybe Midwest, you can still apply for your internship in Silicon Valley or California or Austin or Seattle or New York, everywhere. You can apply your internship position everywhere. And also pros is that you can find hidden gems as well. I personally found my second internship by applying online. It was a data engineering position at an advertisement technology company called Vibes Media in Chicago. And it was really great one too. I was able to write code that really runs on the production. So another strategy is applying as many jobs as possible. Getting an internship is very, very competitive. And you don't even, sometimes you have to be kind of lucky. Even if there are jobs posting floating around on the internet, sometimes it doesn't mean that they're actively hiring. How many people are there actually hiring? We don't really know. So apply as many jobs as possible. So what you gotta do is having couple versions of your resume and copy and paste your resume in a format where you can easily copy and paste. The last thing I want to talk about is getting referral. So in tech world, a lot of companies this referring system where the current employees recommend their friends or family, or hopefully you, for the jobs, and they tend to believe those referrals are going to be a good culture fit, a good fit for the companies. And if you get hired from referral, the person who recommended you might get a good amount of bonus. So here's the thing, don't be afraid for asking for referrals. If also this referral is the strategies that you have to use when those high profile tech companies didn't come to your school. If you don't have any friends or family, you have to find people that are currently working at the companies and then ask for referral. It's kind of hard to ask stranger help. It's very weird, right? When asking for referral, there's one strategy that I really recommend. Find people who are currently working at your dream job right now from LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a great website to find people. And then from those people, find your alumni. Just ask as many people as possible. That's the only way you increase your chances. And before this, it will be really helpful if you have some impressive side projects, or if you can persuade them that you are very good at coding interview. So make sure you're ready before asking referrals. So because this is the most powerful way to get a good job. Okay guys, this is the end of the video, and hopefully it was helpful for you to understand how to get software engineering internship. All the resources and links are down in the description, and if you have questions, please leave on the comments. And if you want me to make more videos like this, and if you want to learn more, please smash the like button and subscribe this channel. Really, it's going to help YouTube to serve you with contents like this from other YouTubers, and it is going to motivate me a lot to keep producing good videos for you. All right, thank you guys. See you later.